Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download marketing assets from Airtable step by step clearly. To download marketing assets from Airtable, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Airtable website. Log in to your Airtable account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, find the base that contains the marketing assets you need. Click on the base to open it. Locate the specific table within the base that stores your marketing assets. Check the view you are using to ensure it displays the assets you want to download. If necessary, switch to a different view that shows the relevant assets. Once you see the assets, look for the record that contains the asset you want to download. Click on that record to open it in the Record Details panel. In the Record Details panel, locate the field that contains the asset, like an image or a document. Hover over the field to reveal any additional options for downloading. If the asset is an image, you can usually right-click on it and select Save Image as. For other file types like PDFs or documents, look for an option that says Download, Export, or a similar prompt. Click on the Download option to initiate the file transfer to your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to your computer's download folder to access the file. Check that the file has downloaded correctly by opening it. If you need to download multiple assets, repeat the process for each one as needed. Once you've downloaded all necessary assets, you're ready to use them in your marketing initiatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.